Today we're giving a classic French favorite a local spin. BC chicken cordon bleu cannelloni with a rich and creamy Dijon bechamel sauce. Let's get to it. For this fun and delicious cannelloni dish, we're gonna need a few things. We've got our Dijon mustard, our local butter, some chopped Italian parsley, some fine sea salt, some water, of course, our beautiful BC eggs, some fine pepper, some crispy prosciutto, some grated Swiss cheese, our BC milk, our pasta, and of course, our ground BC chicken breast. We're gonna start this dish with our bechamel sauce, just a fancy name for a cream sauce. So we're gonna start with some butter in the pan. We're gonna melt the butter at a very low temperature so that we don't brown anything. We want a nice white bechamel sauce by the time we're finished. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna form a roux. So a roux, by weight, is equal parts fat and flour. In this case, we've got our butter, just melted now. And to this, we're gonna add our flour. And you're gonna kind of end up with this doughy, messy looking thing, but don't worry, that's perfect. That's your roux. And once it's incorporated, we're gonna turn that heat back on really low, and we're gonna cook for a little bit, just so we can kind of cook out that flour. If not, we'd have to simmer our sauce for a very long time to really lose that raw flour. Being careful not to brown. It's gonna start to bubble up. So we're creating here a very thin bechamel, and this is actually what's gonna cook our chicken and our pasta all at the same time when we put it in the oven. Looking great, just like that. It's foaming up. It's ready to go. We don't have any color, just that nice golden color we're looking for the roux. From here, we're gonna add 1 liter of milk right inside. We'll switch over to our whisk, and now we wanna make sure all that roux is dissolved inside. This is a point where your milk could burn quite easily, so really be on top of this. All right, sorry. I do have to wait for it to boil now. I'm a trained professional, we'll crank it right up. All right, we're almost there. So we start to see it start to steam. That's a good sign. It's gonna be a very thin bechamel, which is exactly what we want. It will thicken as it cooks with the pasta. Too thick, and that pasta is not going to cook. All right, so we've come to a boil. We're gonna turn it down, and we're gonna simmer for just a couple minutes. So there we have it, just a simple bechamel sauce, nice thin one. We're gonna finish this off. We're gonna hit it with a little salt and pepper, and we'll add a little bit of our Dijon mustard. Just to give a little extra element in there. We'll mix that in. Our sauce is ready. We're gonna just set that aside as we start to assemble our filling, and then we'll go ahead and make our pasta and bring this all together. And now it's time to make our filling. So we're gonna start off with our ground local chicken breast. To this, we're gonna add 2 eggs. So what are the eggs gonna do here? They're going to add moisture, a richness, and of course, bind this all together so that way nothing rolls and melts out of the cannelloni. Get that incorporated. We're gonna add our salt, pepper, and just finish getting all those eggs incorporated. Looks great. So we've got a nice, loose mix here. To this, we're gonna add our flavor ingredients to really make it that chicken cordon bleu. So we've got our Swiss cheese, crispy prosciutto, and our Italian parsley right inside. From here to our piping bag, folding that piping bag over in your hand, and we'll fill up our piping bag with our luxurious chicken mixture here. From here, inside, give it a twist. From here, we'll give it a good cut. And we're ready to go. We're gonna use some beautiful fresh pasta sheets today. 1 more BC egg. And just like this, we're ready to assemble. We've got our casserole dish. We're gonna start by putting some of our bechamel in the bottom of the pan. Probably about 1/3 of it, so about a cup. We're gonna paint along the edges, because that's how it's going to seal up. We're going to pipe on some of our chicken cordon bleu mixture. From here, we're just gonna roll. Nice and tight. And there we have a perfect cannelloni in the sauce. And then we're just gonna repeat until we're finished all of our chicken mixture. I'll finish it with the rest of our cheese. Then this is gonna go into the oven, covered until cooked. And there you have it, a comforting, elegant dish made so easy. Thanks for joining me and BC Egg.